Well, first up on the bulletin, after weeks of a fiery face-off, the first signs seem to be emerging of a likely thaw in the hostilities between the state and Star in Telangana. In fact, amidst the speculations over the strain which has been created between the Congress's Revanth Reddy-led government and the film industry following the arrest of Allu Arjun. In fact, Telangana State Film Development Corporation chairperson and leading producer Dil Raju is calling on the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. The team includes film heroes, producers including Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, as well as directors who are meeting the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy even as we speak. A total of over 20 producers, 13 directors and 11 artists are part of this meeting, including popular actor Nagarjuna. So let me go across to Shomit, who's joining us with all the details. But before that, there is more breaking news which is coming in. We are getting inside details of what's transpired at the meeting. Sources tell Times Now that the Chief Minister has told the actors that there will be no compromise when it comes to law and order, and that celebrities are responsible to control the fans. Further, he says that the government stands with the industry. He has also urged the film fraternity to be socially responsible and to draw attention to anti-drug and women's safety campaigns and also promote temple tourism as well as eco-tourism. All of this is happening in the midst of the meeting which is currently happening as of course, the entire context is that of the arrest of Allu Arjun. Following by that was the long over 3-hour grilling which he faced by the Telangana police. Let me go across to Shomit as well as Akanksha who are joining us. Shomit, I'm going to come to you first. It's very interesting. The words of the Chief Minister, sources are telling us that the Chief Minister has talked about social responsibilities which lie with the stars to control the fans.
Well, Meghna, very stern words used, and we can say that actually Chief Minister was seen very serious in the meeting is what sources have confirmed us. Even police sources have confirmed us, because even police were present there during the meeting, and even police personnel related to the Sandhya Theatre incident who are investigating Sandhya Theatre chaos, even they were present there in the meeting. Just now we received the information that meeting has been concluded and Chief Minister will be leaving shortly, and we are right now reporting from the command control center here in the Hyderabad city, and this is the police headquarters of the Telangana state and the Hyderabad city. So basically we have received exclusive information, the meeting points, and also what was discussed inside, what exactly happened, what did Chief Minister say, and what did the producers and actors, directors. In response to Chief Minister said, we got the exclusive information from our sources, and Chief Minister said that no more benefit shows in Telangana in coming days. So very big decision coming in, because normally 400, 300, 500 crore budget movies get produced here in Telangana, and even in all big movies, during big movies, they do apply for the permission for the benefit shows. So no more benefit shows is what Chief Minister has made it very much clear. And Chief Minister also said that there will be no compromise when it comes to the law and order issue. So because after Sandhya Theatre chaos, we saw law and order issue erupted there, and one woman died. Revati unfortunately declared dead, and her kid is still at the hospital undergoing treatment. So Chief Minister said that no more compromise with the law and order situation in Telangana, and he was strict when it comes to the law and order since beginning. So this is not the first time Chief Minister said anything like this. So celebrities have to control the fans, and it is their responsibility, because at Sandhya Theatre we saw 2,000 to 3,000 fans were standing outside while Allu Arjun was arriving there. So huge fans, they barged in. No security arrangements were seen from the theatre management side or from the Pushpa 2 production unit side. So Chief Minister said that it is the responsibility of the stars and also the production unit to take care of the situation and also controlling the fans. So he has made it very much clear And CM has also at the same time, because government was very strict against the cine actors, against the industry, CM has also assured that government will be standing with the industry, and he has also assured that the government will be supporting the Tollywood industry and also the producers, all the stakeholders of the cine industry. And he also said that industry should be socially responsible. So since beginning we saw Chief Minister suggesting that actors, actresses, and also especially pan-India stars, they should be socially responsible. And at the same time, he said that because recently also, whenever any cinema wants to apply for any special permission or any concert permission, anything like that, then they should be supporting the government in drugs menace by giving a video to the Narcotics Bureau, State Narcotics Bureau is what Chief Minister said earlier. So even now, even in this meeting, Chief Minister said that the actors and also cine industry should support the government in drugs menace and also in mainly spreading the awareness across the state, across the nation. And he also said that temple tourism and eco-tourism should be promoted through the movies, because like I said, big budget movies are produced and will be produced. Several big budget movies produced, and even several big budget movies are coming in the coming days, because Pushpa 3 and Kalki, several big movies like even just the budget is like around 300-400 crores will be spent on these movies. So eco-tourism, temple tourism should be promoted is what Chief Minister said, and Chief Minister also asked the industry should to cooperate with the investment, because in several meetings the government is actually trying to bring in the big investment. So industry should also support the government in bringing in the investment. So industry, people including the producers, big producers like Dil Raju and Allu Arvind. Allu Arvind is the father of Allu Arjun, and other producers, Suresh Babu and the others who were Raghavendra. So they were present there in the meeting, and directors were present there in the meeting. Our colleague Akanksha has exclusively accessed that list for us, and we can clearly see the producers, directors and actors who have arrived there at the meeting. But yes, meeting has just now concluded.
In fact, let me go across to Akanksha. She is also joining us live from Hyderabad. Akanksha, Shomit tells us about the entire list of actors, directors, producers, as well as Allu Arjun's father that you have managed to access for us. Give us a lowdown on that. But more importantly, do you think that some kind of a thaw will come in today? After all, there has been this very uneasy relationship between the state and the stars of late.
Well, Meghna, you see, there could be a dramatic thaw in this icy standoff between the Chief Minister and Allu Arjun. In the past few days, Allu Arjun has done press conferences. Chief Minister spoke in assembly, putting the blame on Allu Arjun for the stampede that took place. But as far as today's meeting is concerned, there were 45 prominent personalities from Telugu University, including the producer of Pushpa 2 movie, father of Allu Arjun. And as far as the outcome of the meeting is concerned, very strong remarks from the Chief Minister. He said that he is with the industry, but he will not compromise on law and order situation. In fact, the actors will have to take care of the management of the crowd. But remember, 10 days back in the High Court, the counsels of Allu Arjun had said that the criminal liability should not only be on Allu Arjun. It was also the responsibility of the theatre management and also the police there to manage the crowd. So it is expected that all of these points were put before the Chief Minister. But definitely, as far as Chief Minister's statement is concerned, he has said that law and order, he will never be compromising on the law and order situation in Telangana. And it is the social responsibility of the producers, directors to make sure that the crowd also does not go out of hand. He also spoke about the bouncers, because remember, Meghna, we have CCTV footages of bouncers using sticks to beat the fans, and police has also said that police was manhandled by the bouncers of Allu Arjun. They in fact stopped the police from going to Allu Arjun to apprise him that there was chaos outside. So focus is also on bouncers, and Chief Minister also said that he is now serious about the bouncer issue as well. It remains to be seen whether there will be any direction in that regard or not, but he's very clear that law and order situation on that front he will not compromise. compromised actors also responsible for crowd management. But on the other hand, as I told you, Allu Arjun and his team had said that it is not their sole responsibility to manage the crowd. It was also the theatre management that should have taken care of it. There should have been adequate police deployment there to make sure that the chaos doesn't happen. But as far as the meeting is concerned, behind me is the police headquarters, where this meeting in fact went on for 1 hour. There were 45 prominent personalities from Telugu film industry, including Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind Dil Raju, who's the producer of Pushpa 2 movie. Naga Arjun is what we're learning, was also present inside, and other 42 other prominent figures from the Telugu industry. They all spoke to Prime Minister, and this in a way shows that all of them are coming together for Allu Arjun as far as his involvement in the Stampede case is concerned. Back to you, Meghna.
Well, do stay on with us, Akanksha, as well as Shomit. We'll just come back to you. Meanwhile, let's tell our viewers how this interaction comes on the back of weeks of showdown, as we have been discussing, between the team of Pushpa 2 and Revanth Reddy government. In fact, what we have seen very clearly is how hours after Reddy slammed the actor for holding a roadshow inside the assembly, then you had a retort also coming in from the start. The Pushpa 2 star had refuted all the allegations leveled against him by the Chief Minister and said it was not a procession or a roadshow, he was merely waving to the fans. So there have been different versions coming in. But now the BJP has stepped in and said that dialogue and not confrontation is the way ahead.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में स्पेशली तेलुगु एक्टर्स ने अगर आप उनका योगदान देखें तो फिल्म को और भारतीय सिनेमा को ग्लोबल मैप पे ले जाने का उन्होंने काम किया है, और कुछ लोग उनको फ्लोर मैट पे लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का, अभिनेताओं का है। अगर आप पिछले कुछ वर्षों में देखेंगे, जहां एक और नेशनल अवार्ड नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार में अल्लू अर्जुन जी को मिला, चिरंजीवी जी को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिला, एक और तो उनके योगदान को पूरा देश और दुनिया सराह रहा है। मुझे लगता है किसी कंट्रोवर्सी को खड़ा करने की बजाय प्रयास होना चाहिए कि संवाद हो, सुरक्षा का ख्याल रखा जाए, ना कि राजनीति की जाए।
Meanwhile, the Congress has asserted that any kind of action taken is lawful and urges the Chief Minister, Revanth Reddy, to act against the culprit. And something similar, the line which has been taken by Revanth Reddy government today, in fact, the Chief Minister, as per top sources, have told us that he made it very clear that there's going to be no compromise when it comes to law and order. Watch this.
Is there any enmity between the Chief Minister or this actor? No, not at all. Why he will do all this against the law? Basically, this actor has committed wrong. He visited to theatre while he was asked not to visit that area. That is the reason so many people were injured. If action is being taken, it is absolutely according to the law, and Chief Minister should take action against him.
Well, even as we speak, that meeting between Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and all the big stars, producers, directors of the Telugu film industry is happening. We'll keep coming back to Shomit as well as Akanksha for more minute-by-minute updates as and when they happen. Thank you for the time being.